Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients and safety gear. 1% hyaluronic acid powder, 2% glycerin, 5% broad-spectrum preservative such as GeoGuard ECT, and distilled water. Use a digital scale precise to 0.1 g and measuring spoons for small volumes. Prepare a 30 ml amber pump bottle and sanitize it with 70% isopropyl. Work on a clean surface, wear nitrile gloves, and avoid inhaling powder. Confirm preservative compatibility and plan storage in a cool, dark place. Label with date and batch details. Combine ingredients methodically. Pour 98 ml distilled water into a sanitized beaker, add 2 ml glycerin, 2%, then slowly sprinkle 1 g hyaluronic acid powder to achieve 1% concentration while stirring continuously. Use a magnetic stirrer or whisk at low speed to prevent clumping. Do not heat. Once dispersed, cover and let hydrate for 12 hours. The mixture will thicken as HA absorbs water. After hydration, check viscosity and adjust with small water additions. Measure pH and adjust to 5, 0 to 6, 0 with lactic acid if necessary. After full hydration and pH check, add 0.5% GeoGuard ECT preservative to the batch, mix thoroughly for uniform distribution, then transfer the serum into a 30 ml amber pump bottle. Label with formulation and date, refrigerate. With proper preservation, expect safe use up to 6 months. Discard if you detect odor, mold, or color change. To use, apply 2 to 3 drops to damp skin to maximize hydration. Then layer a moisturizer and SPF during daytime. Keep notes on skin reaction and perform a patch test first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.